Hello everyone and welcome to the H plant. Today we will talk about 6 reasons that can lead to snake plant brown tips, plus recommending some possible solutions that can help you overcome this annoying problem. In this video we will talk about various reasons that can lead to snake plant brown tips, including improper watering, improper light, using too much and improper fertilizations, pests and fungal diseases, bad temperature and low level of humidity. Also, we will talk about some possible ways that can help you to overcome and prevent these problems. The first and the main reason for snake plant brown tips is improper watering. That includes both underwatering and overwatering. Overwatering will fill the soil with moisture, preventing roots from absorbing nutrients and eventually leading to root rots. Underwatering will restrict the plants from getting nutrients and water, and this again will cause brown tips. To water a snake plant properly, you should water it from top to bottom and completely. But note that before watering, 1/3 of the soil must be dry. Remember that improper watering can also lead to snake plant yellow leaves, so timing and the amount and the methods of watering is important here. Second reason for snake plant brown tips is improper lights. The snake plant prefers low and indirect lights that makes it perfect choice for indoors environments. If the plant is placed near the windows, increase the distance between windows and the pot and use curtains to filter the sunlight. However, if you want to put them on the open spaces or balcony, it's recommended to do it during the spring so that the plants get used to the sunlight gradually. But remember that during the hot seasons, put them on a shaded spot so that the sunlight does not damage the plants. The third reason for snake plant brown tips is using too much fertilizations. The snake plant is a die-hard plant that does not require too much chemical fertilizers. Just use balanced fertilizer to feed it once a month during spring and summer and once in 3 months during fall and winter. If you realize that the reason for brown tips on the snake plant is over-fertilizations, wash the soil 3 times and each time for 5 minutes to get rid of harmful salts in the soils. Or you can just easily change the soil. Fourth reason for snake plant brown tips is pests and fungal diseases. Pests attach to the leaves and feeds on the sap in the leaves. Signs of pest infestations is irregular and yellow or brown spots on the leaves. To overcome this problem, you should clean the leaves with a clean cloth and use proper pesticides. Fungal diseases can also cause these problems. The sign for fungal diseases is also irregular spots on the leaves. To get rid of fungal diseases, you should pay attention to the watering. Use proper ventilation and pay attention to the watering methods. The fifth reason for snake plant brown tips is bad temperature. As you all know, snake plant is a tropical plant that prefers temperature between 65 to 80s. If the temperature decreases 60, the plant will curl its leaves as a protective mechanism. The snake plant prefers room temperature, but during the summer, when you use cooling device, and during the winter, when you use heating device, the temperature will change, and this change can lead to snake plant brown tips. It is advised to use thermometer to measure and keep the snake plant in a perfect temperature. The sixth and the last reason for snake plant brown tips is low humidity. The snake plant does well during the summer when the humidity level is perfect for its growth. However, in the winter, when you use heating device, the air inside gets dry, causing humidity to drop below the tolerance level of a snake plant. However, in the summer, when the temperature is high and the sunlight is too much, the humidity will decrease. To overcome this problem, there are some methods that can help you. For example, creating islands, spraying water, or using cold mist humidifier will provide the needed humidity for the snake plant. Alright friends, to summarize what I said, in this video we examined 6 reasons that can lead to snake plant brown tips, including improper watering, improper light, over-fertilizations, pests and fungal diseases, bad temperature and low level of humidity. Also, we talked about some possible solutions to overcome and prevent this problem. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you have any question or any comment regarding these problems, let us know in the comments.